Hello everyone, so I just finished teaching for the day, taught half day of classes, and now it's time for some recreational activities, which means here in the big city pretending that I am some rural peasant from some century-old kind of lifestyle. So before I can begin living out my peasant fantasies, I have to first put together my new barbecue smoker, and this was a gift from my uncle and aunt on my birthday. Honestly, a gift that is very hard to surpass, like a giant brand new old Smokey 18 inches fresh out of the box. I mean, assembling it together is part of the fun, let me tell you that. And I had a lot of fun just screwing it together, taking all the parts and figuring it out. It was a bit like a piece of IKEA furniture, except, you know, all the aluminum made a lot of noise in the middle of the night. But who cares? It's your birthday. You get away with these kinds of things. So this old Smokey has like a bottom part, which is where the charcoal and the wood goes, and it has a damper that you can sort of slide open and closed. It's a very simple design. The smoke does escape quite a bit, but then I like it like that. I like the aroma it gives out. People ask me, you know, what do you smoke? And I say mango, wood, and hickory. So there it is. It has a grill and a cover. This is going to be the fire roasted ham, and the ham is brined in curing salt and curing spice. I'm gonna put chili and mustard. Here's some bacon I'm smoking for a friend. And the sweetest thing of all, pastrami. Oh, I love this so much. The meat has to be the meat has been cured. Now it's going to be rinsed and soaked in water. I have my old Smokey here, new old Smokey, all ready to go, and I'm just deciding what pans I'm going to use. Here are some square ones, tins, bunt, round cake ones, with nice flat, and a deeper one about the same diameter, skewers, and tongs, I think they're called. Grips, small little tin. I put water in here, put that in, give some smoke, helps the meat cook evenly. And meat hooks. Look at these babies. I'm gonna suspend the ham on these. I'm gonna let them fire roast. And a silicone brush. Not very medieval, but whatever. So I'm trying something new today, which is spearing the meat through with this pair of metal hooks. And I saw them at the kitchen wholesaler, and I'm like, I have to get them. There's something so right about hooking meat. There's like this raw medieval feeling about it, and then hanging it over the fire that I really had to experience. I'm going to put my fire starter in. small shards of charcoal. I might be slightly crazy, but there's something about lighting a fire that just gets me. I just love starting a fire and watching it build and building a little teepee of like little sticks and charcoal all around it, and it is the best part for me. Like I could spend an hour, 2 hours just building a fire. So I got a broomstick and I got like 2 chairs, and I was trying to rig up something to like hang my ham hocks from to cook them that way. I just felt it would be very authentically peasant to do. So that was my 14-inch old Smokey, and I want to start a fire, the very first fire, in my 18-inch. So I went and transferred over some of the wood that had kind of already gotten going, the charcoal, but I wanted everything to be cooked pretty quickly, so I got out 2 more bits of fire starter and some more mango wood and charcoal, and just got the whole thing going once again. And very, very quickly, because of the new Smokey, I don't know why it's bigger, it has a lot of ventilation or something, it got real smoky real fast. So the other one, I'm hanging the ham hocks over, and in this one, the large one, I'm going to be just layering my pastrami and letting it happily smoke for 3 to 4 hours. The pastrami needs a little bit of ground coriander and ground black pepper on top, and I just let everything slowly cooked and kind of monitored it over the next 3 to 4 hours. And finally, everything was done. So this is what the pastrami looks like. I have a tutorial showing you how to make it. This was the smoked ham that was smoked together with the pastrami, and this was the fire roasted ham. So I do have a tutorial on how to make the curing salt and curing spice mixture for my ham recipes with a different glaze this one had, which was bird's eye chili, which I actually made from a bird's eye chili sauce that I demonstrated in another video. This was actually recorded around my birthday, the end of last year, but I thought it would be a fun time to release this video to show some simple activities we can enjoy at home. Plus, making meats into like barbecue cold cuts actually helps preserve it because it lasts longer, and you can slice it thin and use it sparingly because it's so full of flavor you don't need a lot of it. So do stay tuned for more videos. I really enjoyed making this one, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!